Hello students, today in physical education we are going to take up the chapter cricket. Knowledge of the game. A cricket match is played between two teams of 11 players, each on a field of variable size and shape. The ground is grassy and is prepared by groundsmen whose jobs include fertilizing, mowing, rolling and leveling the surface. Field diameters of 140 to 160 yards are usual. The perimeter of the field is known as the boundary, and this is sometimes painted and sometimes marked by a rope that encircles the outer edge of the field. The field may be round, square, or oval. The objective of each team is to score more runs than the other team and to completely dismiss the other team in one form of cricket. Winning the game is achieved by scoring the most runs even if the opposition has not been completely dismissed. In another form, it is necessary to score the most runs and dismiss the opposition in order to win the match, which would otherwise be drawn. Skills of batting. On drive. This stroke is played against a ball that is slightly over pitched and is coming on the leg stump or slightly outside the leg stump. The technique of an on drive is same as of off drive. The only difference is the downward swing of the bat, and the movement of the front foot should be slightly across the line of the incoming ball. Off drive. An off drive is played against a slightly over pitched ball or a half volley ball pitched on or little outside the off stump. Square cut. It is a back-footed stroke played against a ball that is a little short of length and is pitched on or outside the off stump. In a square cut, the bat should be lifted well back by taking the right elbow away from the body. Fielding skills. Close catching. Close catching comes to a fielder from close range unexpectedly and gives very little time to react to the situation. Therefore, a fielder in such positions must be quick and agile to catch the ball immediately. Assuming a proper stance for holding such catches is very important for a close-in fielder. Catching in the outfield. It generally comes to a fielder in a position as mid-off, mid-on, long-off, long-on or third man. For taking such catches in the outfield, a fielder should judge the flight of the ball by keeping an eye on the ball and take a position under it. After getting into position with feet slightly spread, a fielder should raise his hands up and form a basket with his hands with fingers and spread and pointing upwards. Bowling. Outswing. A swinger is a fast ball that takes a swing in the air. It may be an outswing or inswing. An outswinger is a ball that is bowled towards the leg or middle stump, but moves in the air towards the off stump or away from it. For bowling outswing, the ball should be held with the first and second fingers on one side of the seam at the top of the ball and the thumb on the lower part of the seam. The seam should be point towards the third man position in this grip. In swing. A ball that is bowled towards the off stump of a batsman but moves in the air during delivery towards the leg side before pitching is called an in-swing. Measurements of the cricket ground. Number of players in a team 11 plus 5 extras 16 players. Number of umpires in a match 2 plus 1. Weight of the ball 5.5 ounces 156 grams. Circumference of the ball 22.4 centimeters to 22.9 centimeters. Length of the bat 38 inches. Widest path of the bat 10.8 centimeters. Breadth of pitch on both sides from central wicket 4 feet 4 inches. Distance of stumps from one side to the other 22 yards. Breadth of wickets 9 inches. Color of ball white for night and red for daytime. Number of scorers 2. Time for changing every innings 10 minutes. Time for changing the player 2 minutes. Types of matches 1 day, 3 day, 5-day and 2020. Height of wicket from ground 28 inches. Radius of small circle 27.4 meters. Radius of boundary 68.58 meters, may vary from 75 to 85 yards. Thank you.